Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Miss Mavish Haris and I am your maths teacher from Peshawar Model School. This is over 20 lecture, and in this lecture we have to start chapter number 9, and the name of this chapter is areas and volume. So my dear student, in this chapter we have to learn about the Pythagoras theorem. You know about the word Pythagoras theorem first time. So my dear student, listen this very carefully. So Pythagoras theorem means the Pythagorean theorem is a statement about a right angle. You know about the meaning right angle, in which there is an angle of 90 degree. It states that the area of the square of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the area of square of its remaining two sides. As we know that there are three sides in a right angle triangle. So the first one is base, on which you have to draw perpendicular and hypotenuse. You have to see in figure at the point where you have to construct an angle of 90 degree, that is known as perpendicular, and the slope which have to combine in the slope side, it is known as hypotenuse. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So in history, this theorem is named after a Greek mathematician called Pythagoras. Pythagoras theorem is an important topic in mathematics which explain the relation between the side of a right angle triangle. It is also sometimes called Pythagorean theorem. The formula and proof I will be explain you in the question in detail. This theorem is basically used for right angle triangle, and by which we can derive base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. So my dear student, the formula for Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now my dear student, let's see this. Use Pythagoras theorem to find the length of the missing side. As we know about the formula, a square plus b square is equal to c square. As you see in this figure, there are three sides: base, perpendicular and hypotenuse. So in this question we have to find here the base b. So it's mean over in this question a is equal to 9, and in this there is value of b is missing here, and c is equal to 15. So by putting the value a is equal to 9, c is equal to 15, we have to put in the formula a square plus b square equal to c square. A square means 9 square plus b square is equal to 15 square. The square of 9 is 81 plus b square is equal to 15 square means 225. How can we take the square? 15 multiplied by 15, we get 225. Now we have to find the value of b square. That's why 81 should be subtract from both sides. From here b square is equal to 225 minus 81, we get 144. Now my dear student, we need b, but in this formula it is a b square. So by removing this square, we have to take the square root. By taking square root, b square should be deduct from this radical sign, and the value of the radical sign is 1 by 2. And whenever we have to take the square root of 144, we get 12. You know about how we have to take the square root of 12 of 144. You have to find square root by both method. Either it upons to you have to simplify square root by prime factorization or by the division method. So now our next topic is Hero's formula. Introduction to applications of Hero formula. There are many methods for finding the area of a triangle. One of this is Hero formula. We have to find the area of triangle by different method. Here we have to learn, and now we have to study about the method, that is Hero's formula. Statements of Hero formula: if a, b, c are the length of the sides of a triangle. As we know that there are three sides in a triangle, so there are ABC are the length of the side of a triangle. Then we have to find the area of a triangle ABC. That is denoted by area triangle ABC is given by this formula. Area of triangle is equal to whole under root S. S stands for sum. Sum S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. First of all, we have to find the sum. Sum is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Whenever we have to find the hero formula and we have to find the area of triangle by using hero formula, first of all we have to find the value of sum, which is represented by S. So S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Now we take the question, find the area of a triangle region ABC while the length of its sides are, side of A is equal to 8 centimeter, B is equal to 5 centimeter, C is equal to 5 centimeter. So my dear student, as you see the triangle, there are three sides A, B and C, and the values are A is equal to 8 centimeter, B is equal to 5 centimeter and C is equal to 5 centimeter. So first of all, according to hero formula, area of triangle is equal to sum square root sum S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. So first of all, we have to find the sum. So S is equal to A plus B plus C divided by 2. Now you have to put the value. You have a value of A, B and C. 8 plus 5 divided by 2, which is equal to 18 divided by 2. 2 9s times 18. So S is equal to 9. Now you have to find the area of a triangle ABC. First of all, you have to put down the formula S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And you have to take that by on the value of A, B and C, there is a unit which is used here, that is centimeter. So we put the value of sum S, that is 9. So 9 bracket 9 minus 8 bracket close, 9 minus 5 bracket close, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 5. So 9 minus 5. Then 9 minus 8, that is 1, 9 minus 4, 9 minus 5, that is 4, 9 minus 5, which is 4. Now we have to multiply all these terms. 9 1 time 9, 9 4 time 36, 36 into 4, you get 144. Now my dear student, again we have to take square root. So the square root of 144 is 12 centimeter square. It is the area of a triangle. It's very simple. Whenever we have to find the area of a triangle, we use here's the hero formula. In the hero formula, we have to apply here the formula, that is S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And S is equal to A plus B plus C. My dear student, in this exercises, you have to complete 9.1 and 9.2 according to Pythagoras theorem and the hero's formula. Thank you.